Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Patriot headlight. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulbs. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch before you begin. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns. Now, let's find that headlight assembly. Now that you're ready, let's remove the headlight assembly. You'll see two retaining screws at the top of the headlight. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. Once those are out, gently pull the entire assembly straight forward. It should slide out without much force. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it away from the bulb. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing and pull it out. Take your new bulb and insert it into the opening, then twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Remember, it's crucial to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Now, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its housing until it's flush with the vehicle's body. Reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws at the top. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.